Short unboxing lang and a quick one. So ayan, yan yung box nya. Nalis ko na. Order ng client na is titanium header and also handmade for his BMW GS12. So ito yung for GS12. So ayan, comes with flapper na yan. Syempre it's made of top grade titanium, mga bossing. Ayan, may extra pang free lang yan na cable just in case you need it. So ayan, titanium, sobrang gaan. Sobrang gaan nito since it's titanium compared to the stock stainless stock. So ayan, pwede kayong model mga bossing, mura lang yan for GS12. Also available GS1250 and the latest one GS13. So ayan, quick video lang bago ko ipa-ship sa client itong titanium header for BMW GS12. This is for GS12. Oh, yun lang kayo mga boss.